Hi, and welcome to the Holistic Dog Bonus Class, dealing with canine cancer with alternative therapies. This is Jeanie Mossa, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist, and owner of Four Paws Acupuncture. This is an added bonus section to the already existing class, the Holistic Dog. If you're not enrolled in that class or would like more information, please check out the link below. Stay tuned for more information. Dealing with canine cancer, a bonus section created especially for the Holistic Dog online class on Udemy. Canine cancer and related diseases. This special bonus section deals with a very nasty disease that I even hesitate to say out loud. I'm referring to cancer. In the past few years in my veterinary acupuncture practice, I've had so many dog patients, friends and family members with dogs, including my own dog diagnosed with this. I've lost many loved ones, humans and animals, to it as well. So this hits home. I'm not going to go into my personal opinion about chemo, radiation, or other Western therapies. I believe that these decisions are personal and everyone has their own belief system when it comes to health and therapies. My recommendation for you is to do what you think is best for your pets. Consult with your veterinarian, holistic practitioners, and family members before making a major decision. This section will talk about holistic therapies and other forms of ways you can help your dog if they have been diagnosed with cancer or a related disease. Treating canine cancer with alternative therapies. This is our dog Kuan Yin. We sometimes refer to her as Kuan Yin Callie Wu, or affectionately just as the Wu. She's a 13-year-old rescue, part Newfie, part Border Collie. And she has some health issues because she is a rescue, and who knows what really happened to this poor soul. A few months ago, she was diagnosed with cancer. She has a large tumor growth on her back leg. It kind of looks like a golf ball. And the only alternative solutions, according to the veterinarians, would be radiation or amputation. And since she has a bum front leg and already has a little bit of problem going up and down steps, amputation was just not something we wanted to do. And radiation at her age, I just don't feel would be a smart thing to do as well. She's 13 and I don't know what the quality versus quantity of life would be with that factor. So we are treating with every alternative therapy we can possibly think of and more, combined with a ton of love. So this bonus class was inspired by Kuan Yin and her alternative therapies, as well as all the other dog patients I treat that have been diagnosed with cancer and autoimmune diseases and other horrible things like that. So thanks so much for being part of this class. And in these next few slides and commentaries, you'll learn what we were doing for Kuan Yin and what I recommend my acupuncture patients as well. Chinese medicinal mushrooms. The benefits of medicinal mushrooms. Now, don't worry, medicinal mushrooms are not the same mushrooms that are dancing around in Walt Disney's Fantasia that would give you hallucinogenic dreams. Medicinal mushrooms have been used for thousands of years in formulas by the Chinese and Oriental medicine to help boost the immune system. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and have anti-inflammatory properties. They have antiviral properties, and combined in a formula, they're able to reduce tumors, growths, and are powerful weapons that fight cancer. One of the supplements that I recommend to all my dog patients that have been diagnosed with cancer or autoimmune diseases, and one that I give my own animals at home, is the Dr. Mercola medicinal mushrooms for pets. Now, as a sidebar, I do not receive any compensation for recommending this product. I like this product because it's easy to use, the formula is wonderful, it's well thought out, and it's easy to find here in the States. It has several medicinal mushrooms in it that combined as a formula work together to boost the immune system, fight off cancer cells, shrink and decrease tumor size, and it's easy to use because it comes in a little bottle that you can add to your pet's food. It's a ground powder, and so it melts completely into the food, and it's, like I said, it's very easy. I like this so much that I take the people version of it. CBD oil for pets. I love CBD oil for pets and people. Now, to clarify this, I just want you to know I use the CBD oil that is made from hemp and not cannabis for my pets and for myself. In many states, it's still illegal to use the CBD from cannabis, and it's harder to find and clearly more expensive. The CBD hemp is easier to find, hopefully for most of us from now on in most states and countries, and it's easier to give your pet. Some of the benefits of CBD oil are they are anti-inflammatory, they relieve pain, they reduce stress and anxiety, they're great to use for pets with seizure-related issues, they're packed with amazing antioxidants, and they also help with cancer and boosting the immune system. Our dog, she's part Border Collie, part Newfie. She is a rescue, and she has some OCD issues because she is a rescue. And since we've been using the CBD oil, it seems that she's a tad bit calmer and less OCD. You can find CBD oil for pets in most of your better pet food stores and online. You can find them in treats and oils, and there's even one that you can apply to your dog's ears, and that's the one we use for Kuan Yin. Every state and country is different with their laws, so you'll have to research that and consult with your holistic practitioners and veterinarians to find the best one suited for your pet. Nutrition for canine cancer. Cooking for your dog. I've included recipes and guidelines for dogs in the nutrition section of this class. Please do go back to refer to them. I won't bore you by repeating them over and over in this bonus section. I would recommend adding carrots, parsley, and celery and green beans to your dog's diet for important nutrients and just some greenery to help them. One thing I do want to stress and caution is when you're feeding your dog any chicken, beef, or eggs, please make sure that they're organic, free-range, and hormone-free. Many farmers feed their animals estrogen to fatten them up. And unfortunately, estrogen is a fertilizer for cancer cells. This goes along with not just dog food, cat food, but also people food. So you do want to be cautious when buying chicken, beef, and eggs to make sure that they are hormone-free, no estrogen in them. Herbal medicine for canine cancer. Herbal medicine is natural, but it doesn't mean that it's safe. You can cause more harm to a body by using the wrong herbs. I highly recommend not to go online and buy herbs that promise to cure cancer or other ailments unless you have consulted with a licensed practitioner trained in herbology. Every person and every animal is different, so each one, according to their symptoms and diagnosis, would use a different herbal formula. Not all herbal formulas are created equal, nor should they be used by the same people or dogs for the same symptoms. Also, unfortunately, there's big money to be made by promising the cure of cancer with herbs, tinctures, and essential oils. Many of these people prey on guilt and desperation, so do be careful. There is no magic cure. You want to find someone who's actually been licensed and trained in herbology, not someone who took a weekend class online or someone who is now in a multi-level program selling magic potions. A few of the Chinese herbs I use for my dog and my dog patients can be found online or your most Chinatown shops. They're hard to find in places like Whole Foods or your regular natural food shops since they come from China and those types of places. One of the things that I do recommend to all my dog patients who have any kind of mobility issues, arthritis, hip dysplasia, etc., any kind of pain, is Zhengu Shui. And that's here on the picture here with the red bottle. It's a liniment that actually can be sprayed on any kind of sore muscle, their knees, their hips. I put it in a spray bottle and just rub it on, massage it in, and it helps circulate, and it also helps relieve pain. The other thing that I swear by is the Yunnan Biao capsules, which are very difficult to find. Now, there's several people who have different opinions about Yunnan Biao, but I feel that Yunnan Biao, it is a Chinese herbal supplement that I add to my dog's dinner every night. It has several Chinese herbs in it that help move blood, they help with circulation, they help the immune system, and they are almost like a workhorse, herbal horse, where it leads whatever you are giving your dog to the place it should go. So let me clarify that. In her food every night, we add the medicinal mushrooms along with the Yunnan Biao. I feel that the Yunnan Biao actually leads the mushrooms to where they should go in her body. It also is used for cancer, and it also stops bleeding, and it seems to help the tumors. You can ask your local acupuncturist where to find Yunnan Biao. Sometimes you can find it in Chinatown shops, herbal shops. It's very difficult to find online unless you are a licensed acupuncturist. So be careful where you buy it, research it, but it is one of those things that I absolutely love using, and I found that it's definitely helped my dog patients in their recovery. One of my favorite Chinese herbs that is safe to use and that you can find online in powder form or capsules or even raw form is astragalus Wang Qi. It's a Chinese herb that's used in traditional Chinese medicine. It helps boost the immune system, it reduces inflammation, and it's used to help several conditions like heart conditions, kidney disease, and more. I buy this in powdered form and I add it to my dog's food every morning. It seems to definitely help her immune system and even her mood. And it's one of the things that I highly recommend for any dog that needs a boost in their immune system. So it's astragalus Wang Qi, and like I said, you can find it online in most health food stores, natural food stores, and you can find it in powder form, capsules, or raw form. Acupuncture and acupressure. I highly recommend getting acupuncture for all dogs, cats, and humans who have been diagnosed with any kind of autoimmune or cancer. It helps boost the immune system, relieves pain, calms the mind, and improves circulation. You do want to go to a licensed acupuncturist to get acupuncture for people or dogs and cats. However, you can learn acupressure on your own. You could either ask your acupuncturist to show you a few points to do at home on your dog or cat. And there are several books on acupressure as well that you can do in between sessions. Dogs love to be massaged. It feels good. And also, acupuncture and acupressure is great for older dogs who may not be able to walk well, who have pain, hip problems, knee problems, things like that, along with being diagnosed with cancer. Arnica montana for pain. Now, I know I covered this extensively in the holistic dog class. However, I just want to remind everyone that older dogs, especially older dogs, who are suffering from arthritis and hip problems, knee problems, etc., are in some sort of pain, just like older people who wake up every morning and might be in a little bit of pain. And one of the things that I do recommend and use myself for my pets is Arnica montana. I like the Highlands Arnica 30X because it's easy to dissolve in their food. I use 1 tablet for my 19-year-old cat, And I use 2 tablets for my dog who's 70 pounds. I give her 2 tablets twice a day. Arnica is a homeopathic remedy. It's safe to use. There's no side effects. It won't make your dog or cat wonky or have, extreme fatigue or anything like that. And what I like about it is that it's, once again, easy to use. Now, I would just like to say I get no compensation from the Highlands Company. I just like recommending their product because it is the easiest of all the homeopathic formulas that I have found to use for pain, and the safest. And last but not least, the most important therapy is love. So cherish the time you have with your loved ones, your dogs, your cats, your family. Give them all the love that you can give them. Make them happy, make them comfortable, and do whatever it takes to keep peace and harmony during their last few years while they're with you. And give them extra kisses and love. Thank you so much. This added bonus was part of the Holistic Dog online class on Udemy. If you're not already enrolled in this class, you can learn more about this class by following the link below, udemy.com course Holistic Dog Treating Canine Pain Stress Ailments Naturally. Or visit the fourpawsacupuncture.com page, and we have a list of classes and events that we hold regularly that you can learn more about. Thanks so much, and we hope that you enjoyed these classes. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me through Udemy. Thank you so much from all of us at Four Paws Acupuncture. If you're not attending the Udemy online class, no problem. You can visit us at fourpawsacupuncture.com for more information on acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine for pets, or you can follow us on Facebook, facebook.com Four Paws Acupuncture. Thanks so much, and I hope you've had a pawsome time.